Introducing the new AI bot. Earn $156 every 6 hours, perfect for beginners. Earn $156 every 6 hours with the new AI bot, which is great for beginners. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic that will introduce you to a new AI bot that can make you $156 every 6 hours. This lesson is for people who are just starting out and want to make money online. So let's start right away. But before we get into the details, let's take a quick look at what this new AI bot is and how it can help you make money. How powerful AI bots can be. AI bots are advanced computer programs that use artificial intelligence to automate a variety of jobs. They are becoming more popular because they are efficient and can do repetitive jobs well. With the right setup and strategies, you can use an AI bot to make money while you work on other parts of your life or look for other possibilities. The new AI bot that we're talking about today is made to make you $156 every 6 hours. It's great for people who want to start making money online, but don't have a lot of technical understanding or experience. How the AI bot works. Now let's go into more detail about how this AI bot works and how you can start making money with it. The bot works in a certain area or market and uses algorithms to find ways to make money. The bot's success depends on its ability to study market trends, find possible trades or investments, and automatically make them based on parameters that have already been set. It uses the speed and efficiency of AI technology to help you make the most money possible. How to start using the AI bot. Even if you've never used a bot before, it's easy to get started with the AI bot. In this video, we will guide you through various easy steps so that you know how to use an AI bot easily. Firstly, do some research and choose a trustworthy AI bot that fits your goals and budget. Then look for platforms or providers with good reviews from users, clear pricing plans, and a history of getting consistent results. And once you are done with this basic step, instantly sign up and set up your account. Now that you have your AI bot finish the registration process for easy completion, follow the platform steps to set up your account, which include connecting it to a trading or investment platform that works with it, and trust me, this will do wonders afterwards. Secondly, outline your strategy and parameters. Before you start the bot, you need to outline your strategy and set the parameters for how it will work. This includes saying how much you are willing to risk, how much money you want to make, and any other important choices. Take the time to learn how the bot's settings work and adjust them to meet your needs. For this, check the bot's performance and make changes. Once the bot is up and running, keep a close eye on it. Check the bot's behavior often, try to keep track of your earnings, and judge how well it is working. Based on what you've seen, change the settings as needed to get the best results. And yes, do remember that the AI bot is a tool, and how well you set it up and handle it will determine how well it works. So be patient, watch how the bot does, and make choices based on what you've learned to make the most money. But remember to consider the risks. Risks and things to consider. Even though the idea of making $156 every 6 hours with an AI bot sounds appealing, it's important to know and think about the risks and other things involved. First of all, every investment or trading action has some level of risk. The AI bot works based on formulas and data from the past, but the market isn't always predictable. And how well something did in the past doesn't mean it will do well in the future. When investing or trading, it's important to be smart and not risk more than you can afford to lose. But before losing, you need to make money. So here are some tips so that you can get the most out of your AI bot and make more money. Most importantly, stay informed and educated. For this, keep learning about the business or niche that your bot works in. Keep up with news in your field, listen to what experts have to say, and participate in online groups to learn more and deepen your understanding. After understanding all this, diversify your investments. To spread the risk, you may want to use a variety of investments or trading methods. Instead of depending on the AI bot alone, look for other ways to make money or invest to build a well-rounded portfolio. And then evaluate and change your AI bot's performance on a regular basis and make changes as needed. Change is important because the market changes over time, and what works now might not work tomorrow. So stay flexible and change with the market to make sure your bot keeps doing well. Now comes the most asked question. Do you need to know how to trade or buy before using the AI bot? So our answer to this is no. You don't need to have done this before. The AI bot is made to make buying and investing easier for people who are just starting out. But it's always helpful to learn about general trading ideas and how the market works so you can understand how the bot works, so don't bother with this anymore. Instead, you should question how much money you need to use an AI bot. This will depend on the site or provider you choose. Some platforms may have minimum deposits, while others may let you choose how much to spend at first. Find out about the different choices and pick the one that fits your budget. But what if there is no guarantee that an AI bot will always make money? Even though the AI bot is made to make as much money as possible, it can't promise that it will always make money. Conditions on the market can change, and trading and buying always come with risks. It's important to have sensible goals and to be ready for both profits and losses. So it's important to look at the new AI bot with a healthy mind, knowing both what it can do and what it can't do. Now let's talk about a few more tips to help you do well. Consider the following tips to improve your chances of success with the new AI bot. The first step to your success is to start with a demo account. As you know, many platforms offer demo accounts that let you use the AI bot with fake money to get used to it. Use this feature to learn how the bot works, try out different strategies, and build your confidence before you spend real money. Then think about the long term. Although the AI bot can bring in money in the short term, it's important to think about the long term. To build wealth that will last, you need to be consistent and patient. Don't make hasty choices based on what will happen in the short term. Instead, think about the bigger picture. And for the long term, you need to look at your strategy often and make changes. Review and change your trading or investment plan, often based on how the market is moving, how well it's doing, and what the AI bot tells you. This gives you the ability to change and stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to optimize your settings. Take the time to fine-tune your AI bot settings so that they match your goals and how much risk you're willing to take. Try out different settings, such as trade size, stop-loss levels, and profit goals, to find the best configuration for the way you trade. Stay involved in checking and analyzing how your AI bot is doing. Keep track of your trades, figure out how profitable each one is, and look for themes or trends. This will give you the information you need to make decisions and change your approach. Set goals for making money that are reasonable and doable. Use stop-loss orders to limit the amount of money you could lose, and diversify your stock to spread the risk. You can protect your money and improve your chances of long-term success by using good risk management methods. You can make more money and get the most out of the new AI bot by using these tips and strategies. Congratulations! You've learned smart ways to use the new AI bot to make the most money possible. If you are disciplined and patient, you will be on your way to reaching your cash goals. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and think about joining to get more good stuff. Leave a comment if you have any questions or want to talk about your experiences with the new AI bot. Until next time, good luck dealing, and may the money you make with the new AI bot be more than you expected.